What is that? Introduction to computers. I have worked very hard to solve these sums and problems. One of that friend is telling here. Let's see here. I have worked very hard to solve these sums and problems in maths. And he is telling, do you know that a computer can solve these problems much faster than us? It is a smart machine. Okay. So he is getting different to solve the problems of sum and problems of maths. So what he is telling, computer can solve these problems much faster than us. Means what? Computer is solving very fast mathematics and sums and problems in computers. Okay. So next what it is? Computer is a smart machine. Okay. Computer is an electronic machine that works very fast. It is used at many places. So computer is, so how computer it works? What it needs? Electricity. You know, all of you, without electricity we can't operate the computers. Okay. So is much needed. It is used at many places. Where it will use in computers, like in schools we use computers. Huh? In schools now you are using no? Yes, in office में, in school. Huh? Yes. In schools now you are using no? Online classes. Where? Where? In, yes, in railway station, in offices, in schools, all now computer needs in all sections. Com- yes, yes. Yes, now you're using online classes, computers are needed, mobiles are needed. So let's go to next page, second page open. Open second page. It can be used to watch cartoons and movies. You can watch cartoons and movies on your computer also, no? You can watch no cartoons and movies on computers. Also make drawings. Also make drawings, type letters and stories, solve sums, play games. You are playing game also on computers, no? And watch cartoons and movies. Make drawings. You can make drawings on paint option. After that, type letters and stories. You can type there also for anything, stories or letters something. After that, you solve sum. There is some calculator option. You can solve the sums also there. And let's see there. Did you know is that in the 1940s the computers were as big as large room and also used huge amounts of electricity. Means now computer is in means now it is in liter format. But in 1940s the computers were as big as large room. Means big as large room, which is in 1940s and also used in huge amounts of electricity. And electricity power also there was used in huge in amount, but now that much electricity is not required for computers. Okay. After that, from elders to small children, everybody works on a computer. Means all from your age to all the peoples are using. Everybody works on a computers. After that, activities one is there. Let's see. Find five words related to the uses of computers in the following word grid. There is word grid is there. Let's see. Here it is. All of you can see. Word grid is there. Here five words are there. You have to search on this grid. Okay. Music, movie, draw, calculation, and games are there. You have to round it down. Suppose music is there. I have seen there. Music. You have to round this like this. Okay. All words you search afterwards. Okay. After the class, all words you search and mark that words. Okay. After that, computer versus man. What is that? Computer versus man means what computer does and what man can does. There is that. Computers are one of the greatest wonders created by man. It is a wonderful machine, but it cannot work on its own. Means what? Computer is a man-made machine. Means man only made that computers. Okay. After that, it is a wonderful machine, but it cannot work on its own. Computer cannot work on it, work on its own. Means what? Computer without be operating the computer automatically cannot work on its own. We have to operate that computer using mouse or keyboard or like this camera. Now I'm teaching you like in microphone. So it I'm using that computer. It's not automatically or not working its own. Okay. Let us see how a computer is different from man. Let us see now how computer is different from us. Means how computer works and how we people are working. A computer can work very fast. Computer can work very fast. No? So now your online classes are going, it's working very fast and it can perform a large number of calculations in second. It can perform very large numbers of calculations like some your mathematics sum like 2 plus 2 or something 3 plus 3 is there. In calculator computer it's operate calculations doing in very few in very few seconds. Okay, but man needs a long time for doing calculations. Man cannot work as fast as computer. Man cannot work fast as computer. Means we are slow people, so as compared to computers. Okay. After that, a computer in third page, a computer does not get tired. You people are getting tired now after some work, some homework, or some doing extra work. We people are getting tired, but computer does not get tired. It can keep working for longer. Computer can working as many as we operate for the computers. Man gets tired if he works. What? Man gets tired. Huh? What? 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 I can't hear you.
She is saying that you have to circle it.
In that green
Mark it on the circle.
activity zone, no?
Yeah.
Yes, yes, we have to circle it. That is for your homework purpose. You have to round it that. I will show you. Wait. We have to round this like this. This is a music. I found that word in this grid. Okay. After that, let's come to the page number 3. Next, a computer can store lots of information in its memory. Man may see a computer can store lots of information in its memory. Man may forget things. We can forget something like any things like or any we studied we'll forget in sometimes, but a computer can store a lot of information in its memory. Computer can't forget anything. Computer can store in its memory lot of information. Computer can store. Okay. After that, a computer does not make mistakes. It gives correct results. Man can make mistakes. Computer does not make any mistake, but we people can make any mistakes. Okay, we can make any mistakes during our calculations, any sums, or we are doing mistakes like we are adding sum. Like suppose if it is 2 plus 2, we can write 5, but computer cannot does any mistake. Okay. After that, some there is some picture there. Look at this picture. What there is, I can take decisions. Means man can take decisions, any decisions. But computer, I do not get tired, and computer doesn't get tired. Okay. Then what? No, this is not for your activity. It is only a picture for your help purpose. I can take decisions. Means man can take decisions. Only that much. This is not for any activity purpose. A computer does not get bored of doing the same work many times, but man gets bored if he does the same work many times. You get you can you get bored, no? If you are studying long time or doing some work for large times. But computers does not get bored of doing the same work many times. Computer does not bored. After that, a computer cannot think and does not have any feelings. Man can think and he has feelings. Computer cannot think. Means computer cannot think by his own. We have to operate for the computer and does not have any feelings. Computer does not have any feelings. Means he does not get any. He does not get sad or he does not get happy. But man can think. We can think for our own, or we have feelings like sad. We have some means we are if we get outside we enjoy, but computer does not have any feelings. Okay. A computer cannot take decisions. It works according to the instructions given by man. Computer cannot take decisions. Computer not working by its own, it works according to the instructions given by man. We have to instruct for the computer like by operating mouse, by keyboard. Man can take decisions. We people can take any decisions. A computer runs on electricity. Computer runs means computer. We have to, for operating the computer, we need electricity. Man does not need electricity for doing work. We people does not get any electricity for doing work. We are the natural things, but computer is a machine, so computer needs electricity. Okay. After that, practical zone is there. See here. Tick the correct. Tick the correct option. Tick the correct option. Who does not get tired? Computer or human? Huh? Yes. So tick mark on the computer section. Tick mark on that box. Tick mark on that box like this in computer. After that, who can make own decisions? Computer or humans? Yes, human. So tick mark on that human. Who does not get bored of doing the same work many times? Yes. What? What? Who does not get bored of doing the same work many times? Computer or humans? Yes, computer. Computer. Yes, it is computer. And who runs on electricity? Man, computer or human? Who runs on electricity? It is a computer. Okay. Yes, correct. Who has the power to think? Yes, human. Human. Next page, page number 4. So there are different types of computer you can see here. There are types of computer you can see here. These pictures, these pictures you can see. You can see these pictures. There are the types of computers. Okay. First one is desktop computer. This one is laptop. This one is tablet. And this one is smartphone. Okay. All of you know these all devices. All of you know this computer, you know, laptop, you know, then tablet computer, you know. After that, this smartphone you use, no, for your online classes also. So, in details of all of this, you can see there. First is types of computers. Computers come in different sizes and shapes. Means all these computers have different sizes and shapes. This computers is large in size. This is little bit small as compared to this. This is little bit small as both of these. And this is smartphone. This is very small in size. Okay, and both and all of these are shapes also are different. Okay, then some are big while others are small. This one is big, this one is big. These are the small. Let us learn about more about them. Okay. After that, desktop computer. This is the desktop computers. Means these are the computers. Like we can keep this in table. See here. This type of computer is kept on a desk. It is also known as the PC or personal computer. This is the desktop computer. Okay, what is the first type of this? Desktop computer. This we kept on a desk or table. Okay, and this is called as a PC. PC means personal computer. P stands for personal, C stands for computer. Next, the main parts of a PC are CPU, keyboard, mouse, and monitor. The computers, these desktop computers has main parts. Which are these? The main parts of PC are CPU. CPU means this one. This box is there, no? You can see here. This is the CPU. Okay, and keyboard means this one where you are typing the letters, and mouse and monitor. Mouse means here it is mouse by which you select use for select any on computers, and monitor means this is the screen where you can see all the things, that is called as monitor. Okay, tell what happened. Page number 4. You got this? The parts of the computer is, this is called box is CPU, this is monitor, this is keyboard, and this is what? Mouse. You can see here also. This is the computer. Okay. So this is called as monitor. This is the keyboard. This is the
Keyboard.
mouse.
Mouse.
Okay, and this is called as CPU. The box is here, no? We have to start Here it is start button is also there. And this is called as speakers. You got that? What happened?
Desktop computer is heavy, but
Huh?
laptop is not heavy.
Yes. Desktop is heavy. A desktop computer is heavy and is difficult to carry from one place to another. Means desktop computer is heavy means what? Here are different parts are there. Because of that we cannot carry from one place to another. It is difficult for us to carry from one place to another. These days, desktop computers in which the CPU and monitor are combined together as one unit are also available. This is type of computer is known as all-in-one computer. Means what? There are another one is there means CPU and keyboard means this one. This box and keyboard. This box and this box and this monitor means that all are combined together in one unit are also available, that is called as all in one computer. All in one computer takes less space than a desktop computer, means this computer is less takes less space as compared to this computer. After that, laptop, all of you know the laptop, how it looks like. You know laptop now, it looks like this. Okay, so the in laptop the CPU, the keyboard, the mouse all comes under in this here, this section. Okay, there is in laptop no need of this CPU, this keyboard, this mouse separately. This computer can be kept on our lap, so it is known as laptop. Okay, it is a computer which is small in size and light in weight as compared to this. This is small as this as compared to this desktop. Okay, and also lightweight as compared to this. It can be easily carried from one place to another in a bag. Laptop can carry, we can carry in our bag as in one place to another, but we cannot carry this desktop. It is very difficult to carry this desktop as compared to laptop. It works on a battery. Laptop works on a battery. In laptop there is battery. So without electricity also we can use the laptop, but we cannot use this desktop in battery. We need electricity to use this desktop. After that, very thin and lightweight laptops are also called notebooks. There are some thin and lightweight laptops are also there, which is called as notebooks. Next, page number 5. Here are the tablet. All of you know tablets. Tablet computer, all of you know. This size, it looks like a book. It looks like a book text, our textbook size. Okay. A tablet computer is small mobile computer. It is about the size of thin book. Means like this only thin book. Like this only it looks like a tablet computer. Okay. After that, it is very easy to carry a tablet computer. It is very easy to carry a tablet computer. Means as compared to these both computers, it is very easy to carry this tablet computer because it is means very in small size and also a very thin book. Okay. After that, it has a touch screen or pen called stylus, which is used to select things on screen. It how it is like in our smartphone we use no touch screens. Likewise, only tablet there is touch screens options are there. Okay. After that, it also works on a battery. It works on a battery like this laptop. Then there are laptops which are the monitor can be taken out. The monitor is touchscreen and works like a tablet computer. See this one. This one is the tablet computer in which monitor can be taken out. The monitor is touchscreen. Means here we have to touch all the options. Smartphone. All of you know the smartphone you using now for your online classes.
Yes, ma'am.
We have all seen our elders using smartphone. A smartphone is a mobile phone. Smartphone means mobile phone only. That lets us make calls, send messages, store phone numbers, and perform lot of other works. Means in smartphone you use for make calls, no? Then you can send messages, store phone numbers also, contact numbers, and perform lot of other work. You can perform lot of other work also. Now you are doing online classes also there. It can be used to look for information on the internet. It is also used for you want if you want any some information from internet, you can use the smartphones also. It also let us read documents, play games, click and share pictures and videos. It can miss you can read any documents also on this in your mobile. Also you can play the games and click and share pictures and videos. You can click any pictures and share videos, share pictures also there. Then practical zone is there. See, state whether true or false. A laptop is smaller than a tablet. What is it, false or true? This laptop is smaller than tablet. Laptop is bigger or tablet is big? Huh? Yes, it is false. It is false. You write down there false.
False, ma'am.
Yes, it is false. Smartphones can be used to make calls.
Spelling,
What?